What is up guys, my name is Talha and you are watching Gadgets Sphere. So in today's video I'm going to do the full review of the Lineage OS 18.1 for the Poco X3 Pro. So right now I'm running this and this is the latest October security patch update, and I can say the app open animations are just so good in this ROM. Like, this ROM has the smoothest animations of all the ROMs I've tried. And yes, the part 3 of that video, the best custom ROM, is coming very soon. Just subscribe for my channel to get to know about all of that. So yeah, now this ROM is very smooth in terms of the performance. The app open animations are really nice, and let me just go in settings and confirm so that you guys can get a better idea that yes, it is of indeed the Lineage OS. So here you can see it shows the update is Lineage OS 18.1, and this is the 15th October security patch update. Now this is very nice because of few things. First of all, Gcam works absolutely amazing in this ROM. Smoothness is top notch. There is just one thing which is not present, that is Google Assistant, and that is very annoying. Like for me, I am a person who uses Google Assistant all of the time, so when it is not present I feel so sad for it. So yeah, and there's also one very annoying thing which a lot of you guys will be very angry. That is, you all know BGMI PUBG, it doesn't install in this ROM. Like, that is very annoying. I'm gonna show you live right now after a few seconds that yes, BGMI just doesn't install in this ROM. That is the worst thing ever. Like, you are changing custom ROMs to play new games, right? And when BGMI, your favorite game, my favorite game, doesn't install in this Poco X3 Pro running Lineage OS, that is just absolutely rubbish, you know. So they should have actually improved this. I think it is an issue on the Google side. Maybe the G apps I have installed, that is micro G, is causing that issue, maybe, or maybe the ROM itself is having these issues. Like, it just says BGMI cannot install. That is very annoying. And yes, the volume is very nice in this ROM. You can get very nice sound output. There are stereo speakers, obviously we all know that, and the stereo speakers perform very good in this ROM. The bass is absolutely perfect. It's just about the right, you know, it's just the right time. And we have a lot of quick tiles as well. Before I can show you the BGMI bug, you can see a lot of quick tiles are there. Dark mode works absolutely fantastic, and that is really awesome. So let me just switch to dark mode in 3, 2 and 1. And now you can see dark mode is working absolutely fantastic. It looks really awesome. And yeah, I have just saved 0% battery while using dark mode, because obviously this Poco X3 Pro will not save battery while using dark mode. Why, you might ask? That's basically because it is not an AMOLED display, it is an LCD display. But that speaker earpiece at the top also gives a very good and crystal clear sound output while calling someone or having an issue. And this is the BGMI issue I'm talking about. That's just the most annoying thing. Like, why, man, why? That's really annoying. Now let's switch to the other part of the ROM, like what is good. First of all, performance is top notch besides gaming, because obviously we install the ROM just to play games, but if you can't game, that's bad. But Gcam is working absolutely fine. Let me just take a pic and show you guys, because yeah, taking images is also as important as just telling. So you can see this is the image, and also let me just use the ultra wide angle camera to take one image. So ultra wide angle camera is also performing really good in this ROM. That's really awesome. So you can see this is the image of the ultra wide angle camera. It looks very good. It's looking very nice, and I don't have any problem with it. The front camera is also working absolutely fine, and yeah, you look at that. I'm recording from that smartphone, so just subscribe to support so that I can get a good camera or buy a DSLR one day, maybe. So yeah, I just need you guys support. That's it, that's the best thing. But the SDR in the front camera is also really incredible. You guys can see I just bought a new mic, and I have made a video about that mic as well, but I don't know why you guys just don't watch any other videos besides custom ROM. So please watch other videos as well, because yeah, that's also very important, you know. Now let's talk about scrolling in, you know, Play Store. At times I feel like it is lagging a little bit, but normally scrolling every day-to-day task like using Instagram, there is no lag at all. Like in the Pixel Experience Plus, I faced few issues while using Instagram, but here there's no lag at all. It's absolutely awesome. No lag, amazing working. You can see it just feels like 120 Hz is actually running up to the maximum potential. And this is my favorite character. You might know him maybe, and yeah, tell me from which series he is, comment down below. So as I'm saying, this is absolutely amazing, and the internet speed is also coming very nice. At times I feel like the internet speed is a little slow, but that's basically because my Wi-Fi is not that stable. Normally there's no problem in terms of internet. You can see it is working absolutely fine. How smooth is that, you know? And wow, that's an amazing reel as well. And you can see the colors are also coming very fine. I have done it to boost it, and yeah, it is looking really good. So overall it's a pretty awesome ROM. I found out no problems in it. We have a lot of options in the sound as well, you can see. So in the battery life is also really awesome. Let's talk about battery life itself. Battery life in this ROM is basically just same as MIUI. Now MIUI, in case for me, it gave me a wonderful battery backup. So basically for you guys also, MIUI will give a wonderful battery backup. Now there's one phone I was thinking of buying, that is the iPhone 12 mini. For that I need a lot of money, and for that I need more subscribers, so subscribe now. Yeah, that's a nice trick, right? I'm not even joking, I actually want that iPhone, but I don't have subscribers or money for it, so subscribe to support. Now let's talk about the haptics. Haptics in this ROM is awesome, like really awesome. You know, it feels so premium while, you know, just typing. Maybe it is, you know, something which is the ROM itself is doing something nice to improve the haptics. We also have an option called touch sound, which is basically useless. I always disable this, so if you're using this ROM, disable this as well. It will just basically make up a lot of sound while touching anything, so that's very bad. But the haptics, amazing. You will actually have to use this ROM to feel the haptics. You cannot feel it without using it or without holding the phone in your hand, so that's one thing. But overall the haptics in this ROM is incredibly good. I found out no problems. I just love it. So yeah, this sums up the full review of this ROM. I have no problems. It is really good. In terms of gaming, it's awesome. A lot of games I think are supported, just BGMI does not install in this ROM, which is the most annoying thing actually. So yeah, why on earth, man? BGMI is my favorite game, you all know it, right? Now I'm also planning to buy this. Yeah, subscribe now. Okay, sorry for that, but yeah, I actually just love the deal right now going on Flipkart. iPhone 12 mini, really awesome deal, man. Really awesome. So normally this phone is absolutely working amazingly, and yeah, the dialer app has also call recording function. That's really awesome. And they also have provided, very few apps are there in Lineage OS. We have the stock camera app, which is basically useless. We also have this gallery app, where it is, there you go, that is also basically useless because I always use Google Photos. So that's pretty much it. That sums up the review of this Lineage OS 18 October 15 security patch. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and comment down below the favorite actor. Peace out.